Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some Dreamcolor music synchronizing LED lights. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. So we're reviewing some Dreamcolor LED lights from the company. I'm pretty sure it smells Militisto. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. But this is actually Dreamcolor, meaning that you can produce multiple colors at the same time. These LED lights are also music synchronizing, meaning that if you have music in the background, these LED lights can actually sync up to the music. These LED lights also have various different features. These ones that we have in particular is 50 feet. They're not waterproof, but they do still offer a lot of good features. But before we actually get started with this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read a comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me in the comments section. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate if you guys went down below and left a like, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about this product information, also the link to purchase this product will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, alongside product specifications and details if you're wanting to take a look at that kind of information. But right now, what we're going to do is actually proceed to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So you guys can see the overall packaging of this product is fairly simple. As I spin it around, you guys can see there is a few specifications and details on the side of the box, but the overall packaging of these LED lights is fairly simple. And we're just going to proceed over to a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. So as you guys can see on the front of the box, it just says LED strip lights. The company name is listed on the top right here. So you guys can see there's a few specifications such as remote, music synchronization, timing functionality, and super bright 50/50 LED lights that are embedded into this LED light strip. And there's a picture of the LED lights shown on the box right here. We're just going to proceed by unboxing these LED lights to see what's actually inside the box. So I'm going to open up this flap and pull back. And you guys can see all our different accessories are on top of the LED lights inside. So they did give us some adhesive tape that we can actually use to actually put up these LED lights onto like our walls or onto our ceilings if you want to do that. We have a remote control that we need to use to actually do all the different fun stuff with this LED lights. We also have our infrared box that gives power to the LED lights and also gives it all the controls and stuff. They also included some screws and some brackets that you guys can utilize when actually mounting this onto your walls and ceilings if you want to do that. Inside right here you guys can see is our user manual. This will give you guys a lot more information about how to set up this product and also how to, you know, get everything up and running. And then we also have like a quick guide. I'm pretty sure it says key points of installation. You guys can see those are just some key things that they wanted to point it out to you before you actually mount this or actually set up these LED lights or hang them up. So make sure you go through these key points of installations. And then we also have a product service card that you guys can utilize if you need to get some warranty or if you need product help with this product. You guys can do so by contacting them with this product service card. And let's open up this part right here. You guys can see we have our LED strip lights inside the box just like that. And we also have our DC or our AC plug-in adapter that they included with the packaging. But you guys can see the overall packaging of these LED lights is fairly simple. They included even a bunch of extra accessories that you guys can use and utilize with these LED lights, so I do appreciate them doing that. So let's actually open up these LED lights and take a look at them before we proceed to the demonstration and testing part of the video. So you guys can see these are how the LED lights looks like. There's adhesive tape on the back of the LED lights, and then the LED lights are on the front side just like so. And these LED lights are actually spaced out a lot, so you guys can see they're spaced out, but I'll show you guys this later on with the testing part of the video, which we are going to go to at this moment. these LED lights are 50 feet long, so they do cover a huge distance, so that's cool to see. And I'm just gonna kind of unwrap it because we're gonna be doing a demonstration of these LED lights here in a second. So I kind of have the LED lights kind of untangled a little bit. As you guys can see, it's kind of a mess, but I do want to show you guys because when you're doing these kind of tests, you don't want to have your LED lights wrapped up around completely because they do need to dissipate all the heat that they're producing. So what we're gonna do now is actually take our AC adapter and unwrap it. And once you have the AC adapter unwrapped, you want to take this end of the AC adapter and plug it into our infrared box right here on the back side right here. So plug it in just like that. And now you go back to this end of the infrared box and you take your LED lights and plug them in. So make sure that the arrows are pointing the right direction, just like that, and just plug in the LED lights into this slot, just like that. Now they're connected, and now we take this end of the AC adapter and plug it in to our power source. So everything's connected, and you guys can see, wow, the lights are actually already on. Okay, so they're already doing some kind of funny mode. Alright, so I dimmed most of my lighting, but not all of my lighting. Let's just basically cycle through all the different modes. Let's start with the different color options on the bottom right here, as you guys can see. So we got red, we got orange or like a yellowish, we got, this one's more orange. Actually, this is more yellow in my opinion, to be honest. We also have a yellow, which to me is more green. We got green, which is green. Oh wow, that green is really vibrant. We got like a bluish kind of greenish. It's starting to get blue. You guys can see this is kind of like a turquoise or a light blue. And then we got baby blue or dark blue, I should say. We got violet. Oh wow, really nice. We also got a turquoise. I think this is what that is. But those two look like the same color. Interesting. We got purple. And we also got pink. So there's a few different color modes you can switch these LED lights to. The brightness and brightness down buttons are actually on the bottom right corner of the remote control. So if you wanted to, you can increase the brightness, which we already have ours at max, or you can decrease the brightness and you guys can see it's starting to go down. So let me increase the brightness back up. Let's click on this mode button that's on the top right corner, I should say. Let me click on this. Okay. Very cool. And if I wanted to, I could speed this up. You guys can see how fast it's going now. Let's change the mode. Oh, wow. So if you click on this red mode button that's on the top, it starts doing all these different cool effects. Oh wow, this one's kind of like a chase effect. Okay. I'm not exactly sure how many different modes there is with these LED lights, but you guys can see it's able to generate and flicker all the individual LED lights all at once. Let's see what this button does here, right here. Interesting. We have a meteor effect. I'm not exactly sure. Oh wow. So you guys can see it's kind of going backwards and going forward. We have a jump effect, and it's just going to start flickering like that. Really cool indeed. We have a flash, and it looks like it just increases and then decreases, increases and then decreases. Really nice. Alright, so I'm not exactly sure how to configure each of these buttons, but each of these buttons allow you to actually configure and change these LED lights to different scenarios. So if I click on one of these buttons, you guys can see it's starting to do some stuff, and it looks like I can add different assets. So you guys can see now we kind of have like a red and white kind of lighting effect. So you guys can see these are Dreamcolor, so you can have multiple colors being presented with these LED lights at the same time, and it does give a nice effect. Let me click on C3 that's on the top left corner right here. Oh wow, you guys can see those multiple colors being presented at the same time. We got blues, we got greens, we got reds. So you guys can see the Dreamcolor really works with these LED lights, and I'm pretty sure if I wanted to, I can start adding my own effects to it. So it's kind of like, you kind of have to play with this remote and kind of just adjust it to your own needs. And it's kind of strange, you know, but you know, once you kind of get it figured out, you can kind of start, I don't know, customizing these to your desired liking. But you guys can see the Dreamcolor works really nicely with this LED strip lights. Let's try C7. And I'm pretty sure now I'm starting to understand what these different C buttons are. I'm pretty sure C7 is 7 different colors. C3 was 3 different colors. So I'm pretty sure that's what it means by C7. So let me click on C7 and you guys can see, yeah, it is. So now there's 7 different colors that are being presented with these LED lights all at the same time. And then we also have C16, which I'm guessing is 16 colors that these LED lights are presenting. You guys can see the whole entire rainbow spectrum with these LED lights are being presented all at the same time. Really, really nice indeed. Now if I wanted to, I can start adding effects to it. So now you guys are gonna see it's gonna do red, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna start with a new color here in a second. You guys can see it's doing green. But I can go in and customize these LED lights to however I want it, and look at that. Really, really nice. Alright, so I have a song pulled up on my laptop, and we're gonna test out the music synchronization. You do need to click on this microphone button that's on the top left corner to get it into music synchronization mode. So let me click on that button. And you guys can see, as I'm talking, these LED lights are syncing up to my voice. Wow. I can go in and change it to different modes. So if I wanted 3 colors now, click the music synchronization and now it's only red, greens, and blues. Or if I want 16 colors, music synchronization, now it's going to display 16 different colors. Really nice though. You guys can use this as an equalizer in your room and stuff when you're playing music. But I think you guys get the point with the music, so I'm going to pause the music right there. But the music synchronization is really effective with these LED lights. As you guys can see, I'm not talking. Bam. And it starts, you know, capturing my audio. So the music synchronization is really effective with these LED lights. And I think you guys kind of get the point. So now what I'm going to do is actually proceed to the final reflections and remarks and then end off this video. But honestly, as you guys saw with the testing and demonstration part of the video, these LED lights are really capable of doing a lot of things. You know, I was having some issues kind of understanding what some of the buttons were, but these LED lights do offer so many different things you can do with it. You know, you just kind of have to play with it and kind of get used to it and kind of understand what the different buttons are. But once you kind of figure out how to use these LED lights, you're gonna have a blast using these LED lights as their dream color. You can show multiple colors at the same time. That's the difference that these LED lights are able to bring to the table compared to traditional LED lights. Most LED lights, you're only able to show one color off at the same time. With these LED lights, you're able to show multiple colors at the same time. So you can easily control and configure each individual LED light bulb. So that's really impressive that they were able to create a budget-friendly LED strip lights, and honestly it's really effective. So I'm really impressed with the overall capabilities of these LED lights, and if you're looking for a Dreamcolor but cheap LED light strip, definitely check this out, as this may be an option for you. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate if you guys went down below and left a like, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you guys need any photo assistance with this product, you guys can do so by reaching me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about this product information and also the link to purchase this product will be down below in the description for those who want to get more information, or for those who actually want to check out and actually purchase these LED lights. But overall, I'm really impressed with these LED lights. They do offer a lot of capabilities with the remote control, and surprisingly, with it not being smart or being Bluetooth enabled, they did put a lot of things with this remote. Like I just said, just kind of got to get used to it before using it. But once you kind of know what you're doing with this remote, these LED lights are really easy and simple to use. But overall, I'm really impressed with the LED lights, and I do love that they're able to display multiple different colors all at the same time. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.